Good morning students. Today's topic is BCD2 7 segment decoder or 7 segment display. We know that BCD numbers are used for representation of decimal numbers from 0 to 9 which are going to represent in 4 bits, whereas the 7 segment display are used to display the digits in digital watches, calculators and clock etc. आप लोगों ने देखा होगा कि जब हम लोग जो डिजिटल वॉचेस यूज़ करते हैं या कैलकुलेटर यूज़ करते हैं उसमें जो हमारा डिस्प्ले सिस्टम होता है वो आपका 7 सेगमेंट डिस्प्ले होता है, जो आप राइट साइड पर देख रहे हैं, जो हमने रिप्रेजेंट कर रखा है A B C D E F और G से। तो यहाँ पर एक्चुअली जो है हमारे पास देयर आर 7 LEDs और LCDs जो हैं वो यूज़ होते हैं, और अकॉर्डिंगली जब हमने जो भी नंबर रिप्रेजेंट करना होता है उसके कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग हमारे जो LEDs हैं वो ऑन रहते हैं और बाकी LEDs जो हैं वो ऑफ रहते हैं। हर नंबर को रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए हम इन 7 सेगमेंट्स में से कुछ एक सेगमेंट्स को चूज़ करते हैं। देयरफॉर द डिस्प्ले इज नोन एज 7 segment display. This is the block diagram for BCD to 7 segment decoder or 7 segment display. On left hand side we have BCD numbers which are represented by 4 bits A, B, C and D in capitals. On right hand side we have 7 outputs small a, small b, c, d, e, f and g. These 8 outputs are for the 7 segment display system. Now we represent its working using a truth table. This is the truth table. On left hand side we see that decimal digits are from 0, 1, 2 up to 9. Input lines are A, B, C and D which are represented by 4 bits 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1 and the last 9 is 1, 0, 0, 1. And on right hand side we have the output lines small a, small b, small c up to small g. Now let us see when we display the pattern 0. Look at this. When we display the pattern 0, then this middle line G is not on and all other lines A, B, C, D, E and F they are on. So we write 1 in A, B, C, D, E and F and we write 0 in the G. You can see the output of first one is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 and last G it is 0 because we don't have to on the LED G to represent 0. Similarly, the next number is 1. To represent 1, what we have to on? We have to on only B and C. For this, we will write 1 in B and C and all others are 0. Next, to represent 2, the on LEDs are A, B, G, E and D. We will set 1 for them and for all others are 0. Similarly, to represent 3, F and E, these are 0 and remainings are 1. To represent the number 4, the LEDs used are F, G, B and C. To represent 5, LED used are A, F, G, C, D. And to represent 6, we are only switch off the B number, that means B LED is not working and all other LEDs are on. So we write 0 in place of B and all others are 1. Similarly, to represent 7, for representation of 7, the on are A, B and C. To represent 8, all outputs are 1 because we need all the LEDs. And finally, to represent number 9, only the LED E is off and all other LEDs are on. With this, we construct the output lines for the given decimal digit. Now, we have 4 inputs and 7 outputs. With this truth table, we will draw the algebraic expression for each and every output lines, that means from small a to small g, and we represent by the number, summation of whatever at what place is there 1, and the at where place, at the places which where it is 0, we are not going to record them. Now we are seeing that these are the output expressions, small a, small b, small c and small g. This is summation of these terms which are written in between. These terms are present, and after that we will write summation d from 10 to 15, because we know that in case of BCD number the representation is from only from 0 to 9, but in case of 4 bit it is 2 raised to power 4, that means 16 numbers, that means from 0 to 15. But in BCD we are not using the numbers from 10 to 15, so we are considering them in the don't care condition. Therefore summation d in each and every expression it is from 10 to 15. So these all are the Boolean expression for the outputs A to G. Next job is to simplify them using K-map. These are the K-maps for expression A, B, C, D, E and F. You can simplify it. This is for the G. After simplification, the expressions are A to G. All these are the simplified expression, and you know how to simplify using K-map. And after this simplified expression, next job is to draw the circuit diagram for it. This is the circuit diagram for BCD to 7 segment display. That's it. Thank you.